can't think. Actually, it confuses you. That's why I selected the particular visual. Okay. Question comes to team A again. Your question. This car is to be unveiled in 2019, not 2019, 2019. 2019. It is a code name. Its code name Project Titan. With $200 billion investment, 600 employees are already working in this car project. It may be an electric or hybrid version. Which company's first venture in the auto segment is the Project Titan? So this company is venturing into automobile sector. The code name is Project Titan. So the first prototype will be out in 2019. Tesla Motors coming into auto segment, no. Toyota is already in auto segment. First venture into automobile segment. First venture, they are coming into automobile segment. Google, that's good guess. Google is already into automobile self-driving cars. No, over. Google is wrong. Google is already into automobile because they are giving you driverless cars. Yes, Hindi. Nade? E. Apple. Apple manufacturing cars. That's good. It's right. It's right. Apple manufacturing cars. Okay, you missed it. That's getting team E 10 points. Team F, your question. Sir, this question is of heads. Okay. So we are talking about a company, okay, in America. So some part is concealed there. Okay. A person's dash does indicate energy levels, emotional state, loyalty, thinking patterns, achievement skills, goal orientation, levels of deceit, signs of procrastination, depression, and impatience among other significant traits. So, wait, this company is getting at least 5,000 candidates forwarded by multinational companies before recruitment. Okay. So from the 5,000 candidates, they are submitting something to the company. The company will analyze and it will produce the results. So what is it? A person's what? A person's what will give you indications regarding all these levels. So we have concealed something. If we can work it out, it's easy. Patience. Patience, how we can test patience? You'll send the person to sit there. No, it is not patience. Attitude. See, 5,000 candidates. Will you send all the 5,000 candidates to this company to test all these attributes? No. IQ. No. The company's name is slightly altered. It is leadership skills. No. Your question. Audience? No? Emotional question, intelligent question? No. No. Handwriting. Graphology Consulting Group. The company's name is Graphology Consulting Group. All the companies before recruiting, what they do is they take a manuscript from the candidates and they will forward it to this company, and this company will give you an assessment. Okay, so your handwriting reveals all these things. Be careful. Okay, your handwriting can give you all these things. So this is also for ADOS, Graphology Consulting Group. Yes, at the end of this round, the scores are.
In the first round, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel with 10 points.
10 points.
DJ Academy with 20 points.
20.
SLMB College with 20 points.
20 points.
Sri Krishna College with 10 points.
10.
Lead College A and B yet to open their account.
Yes. Let's see. This round is written for you and all the questions will go to audience. Okay. Yes. Again, 8 questions. So do you know the rules? All the individual questions will carry 10 points. And you round all the first letters of all the 8 answers. You will get an anagram. You work out the anagram, you will get 20 points. Okay. Got it? Audience, don't shout the answers. It will come to you. Yes. Question number 1. Which automobile giant popularized the concept of JIT? That is just-in-time technology. In logistics, just-in-time. Question number 1. Question 2. Which portal was initially called Cadabra.com? That was the name first they decided, but because it's not sounding good, Cadabra, it sounded like cadaver. Okay, they changed it to Cadabra.com. Very popular website, very popular portal. Yes, 3. Identify the management guru. He has written lots of books on leadership of Indian origin. MBA students are supposed to know this gentleman. 4. Yes. So his first name is Mikhail. What is the second name? Or surname? First name is Mikhail. Second name. Russian origin. A person of Russian origin. First name is Mikhail. The answer we are looking for is second name. Okay? That is surname. Enough clues are there. Question number 5. Lip smacking, thirst quenching, okay, is going on and on. Which beverage brand was advertised with these words? Lip smacking, thirst quenching, ace taste, in motivating, good buzzing, cool talking, high walking, fast living, ever giving, cool whizzing. Beverage brand. Lip smacking, thirst quenching. Beaut copyright. The options are between 2. Which one to select, you will have to decide. 6-1. Which company is called the Big Blue? Big Blue. Just 3 letters. 7. The logistic company saved millions of dollars by shortening its name and the brand name entered English language. They had a very long name and for that they had to print coupons, letter pad, labels, everything. It costed around millions. They shortened the name. Now this word appears in English language just like Google. Get it Googled. Okay? Get it Xeroxed, something like that. Yes, question number 8. This is Russia's one and only very popular automobile brand. 4 letters, identify that. Very economical. Russia's very popular. Do you know Russia is having automobile brand? Russia is having. They have 4-letter brand. Yes. Now round the first letters. If we can track the anagram, you will get further 20 points. So 80 plus 20, 100 points at stake. We will move on to the audience.
Please first write your team numbers.
Yes, please write your team name. A, B, C, D, E, F. Come on, finish it quickly. Yes, time is up. Please give the answer sheets. Audience are having all the answers. Write the team name. Don't forget to write the team name. Yes, finished. Let's see this row. First question. Here comes the first question of this CQZ round. Toyota is good. Just-in-time technology by Toyota. Please give a chocolate if it is available. Yes, of course it's available. Yes, good enough. 2. Kadabra. Not Alibaba. You are going by Abragadabra, Alibaba. From Abragadabra, they selected Kadabra. Okay. Amazon.com is right. Amazon.com. There, please stand up. Amazon.com. Amazon.com. After Kadabra, here one, then two persons. Okay. Kadabra.com. Then he wanted a name that will appear first in the alphabetical order. That's why he selected Amazon. Next, third one. So management students are not aware of this management guru. Who's it? Ram Charan. Ram Charan. Yes, good. Ram Charan is the answer we are looking for. He's written lots of books on leadership. Ram Charan. 4. Yes. Kalishnikov. Who is that Kalishnikov? AK-47. AK-47 K stands for Kalashnikov. Kalashnikov. AK-47, that's a Kalashnikov rifle. Yes, Kalashnikov rifle. AK-47. That is AK-47. The inventor of AK-47 is Mikhail Kalashnikov. So the answer we are looking for is Kalashnikov. 5. It is Pepsi. Lip smacking, thirst quenching, Pepsi. 6. IBM. Big Blue is IBM. 7. Question number 7. It is FedEx. The company was initially called Federal Express. It was so long, they reduced the name to FedEx. Now in America they say FedEx. Yes, 8. Who said Lada? Yes, it is Lada. It is Lada. The American, Russians automobile brand is Lada. LADA. And the anagram is Flipkart. Okay, if you take all the first letters of 8 answers, if you arrange it, you will get the name as Flipkart. Any team got it, Flipkart? No? Yes. Let's see the scores and we will move on.
For this round,
Yes.
Team A with 30 points.
Team A with 30 points.
This round it is 30, so total 40.
Yes.
Team B 20.
20.
Team C DJ Academy 30 for this round, total 50.
50.
Team D Lead College
Yes.
20.
20.
SNMP Team E
Yes.
30 for this round, so
Yes.
total
50.
50. Sri Krishna with 10
10.
for this round, so total 20.
Yes. Yes. Who is leading?
That is Team C DJ Academy
With?
and SNMP both with 50 points.
Good. Okay.
Closing forward by Sardar 40 points.
40 points. The game is wide open. Let's see what's going to happen in the next round. Yes. Now it is buzz. Plus 10, minus 5. So do you remember the logo round? In logo round for UG, I gave one line, they will identify the logo. I will give one line, you identify the personality, businessman. I want only the businessman's name, not the company's name. Points are not given for company's name, only for personality's name. Okay, don't fumble. If it is company's name, I won't give you points. Okay, give me the personality's name. Got it? Plus 10, minus 5 on buzzer. Let's check the buzzer first. 2. Yes, press it. We are checking the buzzer, man. Okay. Yes, 3, 4, 5. Yes, good, satisfied? Okay, one line explanation. From that you let identify a businessman. Okay, here it comes. White Revolution. Varghese Kurian of Amul. That's good, 10 points. 10 points. Varghese Kurian. Yes, that's a 2 words or 3 words you let identify the personality. That's the challenge of this round. Second one, second personality. Man of Steel. Ratan Tata is the man of steel, is minus 5. Lakshmi Mittal. Lakshmi Mittal is the steel maker of the world. Okay. Lakshmi Mittal is the steel maker number 1 in the world. Therefore, it is minus 10 for Team A. Minus 5. Minus 5 for Team A. 3. So it is again a jumble. Okay, LHMD. If you arrange it, you will get HTML. If you arrange or anagram or whatever it is of HTML, it gives you another you'll have to identify personality. Lakshmi Mittal is already given. Why you are again going for Lakshmi Mittal? Lakshmi Mittal just now he told me the answer for Man of Steel. Where you go? No, that's it. Only one attempt. After that question passes to audience. HTML, if it is jumbled, it gives you LHMT. And HTML, if you jumble it, you will get the name of another email service. And we want name? No, don't give me the company's name. Sabir Bhatia. So it is a very challenging question. The jumble of HTML is LHMT, jumble of HTML is Hotmail. Hotmail's founder is Sabir Bhatia. That's how you learn working out. Sabir Bhatia, he made $300 million at the age of 28 from Microsoft. At the age of 28, $300 million, think about it. He settled in his life. He even proposed to Aishwarya Rai. But what happened is she refused. I don't know why. Yes. Next personality. Simplify. Shh, please, audience, please. I know that most of you are qualified to be on stage. Okay, you are missing that by 0.5 or 0.1. I know that. Don't worry. Simply fly. Simply fly is the slogan of. It is also the in-flight magazine of. Nobody got it, audience? Yes, Captain Gopinath. It is the slogan of Air Deccan, and it is also the name of the in-flight magazine of Air Deccan. Therefore, it is Captain Gopinath. Simply fly, Captain Gopinath. Next one. Beaten Triathlon. Shh, please. Beaten Triathlon. So nobody is taking the risk. Okay, audience. Sunil Bharti Mittal. Sunil Mittal. Beetle. He started as Beetle, the phones, Beetle phones, and later he moved on to company. Then he founded Airtel. Beetle Airtel is Mittal. Okay. Next one. Washing powder to university. I asked you to never say the company name, person's name. I will give you one more opportunity. And that's why I am not giving you minus. I told you, warned you, never give me the company name, give me the person's name. I will give an opportunity. Come on. You are talking about Tata. Tata founded Nirma? No way. So that is -5. I warned you, never give me the company name. Founder of Nirma, of course. Karsanbhai Patel. Who said it? Karsanbhai Patel. Again, Tata Cruz will learn us. Karsanbhai Patel. Washing powder Nirma to Nirma University. He is now running a university called Nirma University. Okay. Nirma washing powder to Nirma University is Karsanbhai Patel. Yes. 7. It happened in India. Kishore Bayani of Future Group. Okay. So he has written a book called It Happened in India. It's a very nice book, interesting book about retail management. It happened in India. Okay. In the book he says that his Big Bazaar is modeled after Big Bazaar. His Big Bazaar, the retail outlet, the hyper market, is modeled after Saravana Stores. Is modeled after Saravana Stores. Okay, good one. Yes.